Update nga tayo. Marami palang issue ang Philippine Arena pagdating sa mga event na nagaganap doon. Pero narito ang naging patotoo ng isang 18 fan na si Kat Joyce. Aniya, I attended SB19's kick-off concert at PH Arena for 2 days and it was a hassle-free experience for us 18. TBH, we didn't expect anything since daming bad feedback sa arena but it was the other way around for us. Ang smooth lang ng process and even the traffic wasn't terrible I guess because we hired buses instead na kanya-kanya ang transpo. It was surprisingly super organized. I wasn't even that tired yet pag uwi ko from day 2. Say naman ng isa, yaha! Sa SB19 lang po, never naging traumatic ang Philippine Arena experience. Sinugundahan naman ito ng isang fan at narito ang kanyang naging kwento. Mula kay Karen Saludaga, I can attest to this. We attended a Harry Styles concert in 2023 and going there was tolerable and expected ko na kasi traffic kaya drop off lang kami. Pero yung pauwi kami, grabe, nahirapan yung brother-in-law ko and halos kakauwi niya lang nung natapos yung concert kaya bumalik din siya agad, more than an hour kami naghintay. And another hour bago nakalabas. Then we attended the Twice concert last month and it was so hard to find parking and traffic sa loob kaya we decided na bumaba na lang and my husband had to go back to NLEX and went back for the second time to look for parking kasi naguluhan siya sa instructions and di din siya familiar kasi first time niya, buti pag ikot niya may napakiusapan siya along the road sa parking A. Yung pauwi yung worst, almost 2 hours kaming stuck sa loob bago nakalabas sa NLEX. Incomparable experience sa concert ng SB19. No traffic at all papunta and may mga nakasakay or nakasabay kami sa daan with ribbons din and every time they were honking kaya ang saya. Super smooth din papasok, hindi kami nahirapan mag-park kahit hindi kami ganun kaaga and yung pauwi super no hassle which was really surprising. Very organized and ang daming traffic enforcers and marshals na pwede mong matanungan. Not to mention the entire ambience ng place and vibe ng mga tao was super happy and very light. It was like a festivity, not an ordinary concert. I've read or seen in an article that Onesie really spent a lot for an extra workforce to ensure organized lahat, which I can tell was very true with my before and after concert experience sa PH Arena. The planning and organizing of concert was very mindful. Intentional and priority ang welfare and experience ng lahat ng audience. Everyone knew and felt that the boys really made huge effort to make sure the memory from start to finish will be worth it. They really are the standard. Ang ibig sabihin lang po niyan, di baling konti ang balik sa kanila. Basta ang mga gumastos para makita sila ay maging safe at komportable sa lahat ng event ng SB19 na kanilang pupuntahan. Ganyang magmahal ang SB19 and the operating ng kanila nga pong or operation ng kanila nga pong company na Onesie Entertainment, ang lahat ng humahawak dito ay talaga namang napaka-bubuting tao. Well, yan ang ating showbiz update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.